very dark and very light. Yeah. So I'll start off with the center one. A drop.
Okay.
Look at the difference.
Okay.
It's going to make a green. Very nice.
Oh, wow. Oh, you got the...
So that could actually be dark. Very little color here. Okay, so let's just do that. So that's going to be a green blue or blue green. Look how beautiful that color is. Now the interesting thing, if you add white to that, you'll get a very lovely sea color, like a turquoise. Yeah, and it's more blue. So it must be a green blue. Yeah,
Yeah.
that looks nice.
Yeah,
Eh?
that does.
And this one needs to be a yellow blue. So you might have to give me more yellow. You see how much color we used?
Yeah.
So this would be what you would mix for you to paint.
I actually like this.
It's lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add more yellow to this. That's actually a bit too little paint that, but anyway, just for exercise. Look how much yellow I'm adding to this. So now it needs to make a transition here.
Okay, okay.
See, so the transition it must be here as well. So I need to be able to use those three colors together. Yeah. Okay, so you get the idea, ne?
Yeah.
So let's go back to this. So you're going to redo this in your own